Hi, this is my final project, and the title is Chinese speech recognition based on deep learning. So, before we get to know the project, let's see what happened in this specific topic. The first one, in 2018, the University of Science and Technology proposed a deep full sequence convolutional neural network, which is called DFCNN. And also in 2018, Ali proposed a new structure, and this model combines the low frame rate algorithm and a DFSMN algorithm. And later in 2019, Baidu proposed a streaming multi-level truncated attention model, and this model introduced an attention mechanism based on LSTM and CDC to obtain a wide range and more level of context information. And here's the structure. This is a structure that combines CDC-based DFCNN and the transformer language model, and there are some reasons for doing that. For DFCNN, it directly converts a sentence into an image as an input, and output unit directly correspond to the final recognition result. And also, the structure of DFCNN takes time and frequency as the two dimensions of the image. And for transformer language model, this model it has um, this model is much faster when it comes to training than CNN than RNN, and its translation result is much better than RNN also. However, and this is from one of the paper I referred. The transformer language model performs poorly in smaller and more structured language understanding tasks or simple algorithm tasks. In contrast, models that perform well in these tasks do not perform well in large language understanding tasks. And for the final one, the CDC, it can be seen as a temporal classification based on a neural network. And the CDC has two advantages. It does not need to align the data and label one by one, and also it directly outputs the probability of sequence prediction and does not require external post processing. And here we have the data setting experiment. The data set is DHCHS30, and the text of it is selected from the large capacity news, and the purpose to do that is to expand the 863 voice library and choose about 1000 sentences to record. And these records are divided into four parts according to their text content, which are called A, B, C, and D. And the three groups of ABC includes about 10,000 sentences, pronunciations of 30 people for training, and a D includes about 2,500 sentence pronunciations of 10 people for testing. And for the experiment, for each trial, I shuffle the dataset before dividing that dataset into training set and test set by 70% and 30%, and the results are as follow. And that's all for my final project. Thank you.